Okay, today I'm going to be unboxing the Black & Decker steam mop. It's the 180-degree swivel head, and it's the classic steam mop. Okay, so I got the box open. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we got get this set up right. This is the mop head here. Okay. See what it looks like. Okay. Then we have the little cover that goes on the mop head. Looks like it is Velcro, so you can just go ahead and Velcro that on. I think I put it there. Nope, I put it the wrong way. There we go. Here's the instructions. The handle. Just a basic handle here. But this, I heard this swivel head is really good. I like it. It's like a little ball. So it's pretty cool. And here's the base of it. I mean the where it holds the water, and the cord. Cord is not as long as anybody would like it to be, I don't think, but it's pretty. I think it's enough. You can always get an extension cord. Here's the water tank. Looks pretty easy. You just get something like a little measuring cup and you can pour it in there, and just got an on and off switch. Pretty easy. So I'll demonstrate it when I get it set up. So I mean, we can go ahead and put it together. It looks pretty easy to put together, so that snaps in. You heard it when it snapped. And I'm just putting the handle on. It snaps right on. I mean, I put it together already, like in 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Look at that. It's already together. So I'll come back and do another video where I demonstrate how it works. Thanks for watching.